Absolutely, it has changed a lot and many times. So back in times 20 years ago, we were translating game resources. They were text files, sometimes unstructured. Sometimes we localized even executables when we just injected some text into executables. That was hell, really, untestable. So then with the localization platforms appeared. That was like 15 maybe years ago. Platforms like Crowding, Transfex. So they appeared and they simplified a lot. So using those platforms, translators could work not only with the files themselves, but on the platform. When the developers, they started to build their localization pipeline in the proper way, separating the localizable resources from the code and then uploading to the platform. And then the translators were able to translate, and the developers, they would just downloaded all their languages and the files that were not corrupted, that were well structured and for different platforms. So that was the pivotal point of localization back there. Another thing that is happening right now is AI. Of course, this changes many things in localization industry. And when ChatGPT 3 appeared and we tested how it translates, we were kind of frightened of what will be happening to the industry. But now we are calm because we understood that there is still human in the loop must be involved for the best of the quality. We have some cases now that involved AI-driven translation for some locales by requests of our clients in games. And we see that it really changes the pipeline, but the humans are still needed because they bear responsibility for the quality. Somebody must check that everything is good with the translation, and this is what the translators they were doing this for ages. Back in times, there was Google Translate, there was DeepL, some other machine translation engines, and now it's AI. Great addition. A great addition. So it changes, but the industry is changing. But we are looking forward to translate more. It opens space for translation for the content that was not ever translated